Video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form from scratch using Google Forms. This is perfect if you want to collect information, run surveys, or gather responses in a simple and organized way. To get started, open Google Forms. Once you're on the home page, click on Blank Form to create a brand new form. This will take you directly to the form editor where you can begin building your form. At the top of the form, click on the title field and type the name of your form. This is what respondents will see first, so make sure it clearly describes the purpose of your form. Right below the title, click on the form description field and type a short description. This is where you can provide additional details or instructions to help respondents understand what the form is about. Next, go to the right side vertical toolbar and click the plus icon. This is the Add Question button, and it will insert a new question into your form. Once the question card appears, click inside the question field and type your question. This is where you define what information you want to collect from your respondents. After typing your question, choose the question type using the drop-down inside the question card. You can select options like multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, and more depending on your needs. Based on the question type you selected, add the appropriate answer choices or response fields. For example, if you chose multiple choice, you can type in different options for users to select from. Once your form is ready, go to the top right corner and click the eye icon to preview your form. This allows you to test how it looks and make sure everything is working properly. Finally, click the Publish button in the top right corner to make your form live. You can now share it with others and start collecting responses.